Good afternoon. I'm Michelle Flach, and like you, I juggle multiple roles. I'm a daughter, a sister, a wife, a mother to 7, and a grandmother to 7. I have a genuine passion in my role as a certified natural health professional. I am dedicated to guiding my clients to making positive lifestyle changes in order to improve their overall well-being. Let me show you how seamless doTERRA makes this journey by sharing about just one of the new products offered here at convention, XeOmega Plus. To begin, I would first like to communicate with you why I began my business partnered with doTERRA. As many of us know, almost all essential oil is adulterated. These synthetic compounds are treated as toxins by our body and thus may overload our detox pathways. Thankfully, doTERRA was founded on the principle that the world needed synthetic, pure, essential oil. This mission spilled out into their supplement line. The same commitment to purity now became a commitment to bioavailability. When you swallow doTERRA supplements, have confidence that a lot of scientific research has gone into making sure that those supplements are 100% pure and bioavailable. Why is this so important? If the oil is not pure, the body will treat it like a toxin, and that will overload the detox pathways. If the supplement is not bioavailable, the digestive process will not allow the supplement up into the bloodstream, thus rendering it expensive digestive waste. It can also be a worry that endocrine disrupting chemicals and hormones could infiltrate supplements sourced from fish. doTERRA carefully creates supplements that are free from toxins, antibiotics, and hormones. I am privileged to witness tremendous improvement by my clients in my practice because of doTERRA's commitment to providing you with the best wellness products on the market today. I'm here today to talk to you about XeOmega Plus. However, as a proud Northern Canadian cousin, I know too well that it takes time for new products to become available across all markets. So I would like to quickly recap the benefit of the original LLV. We're all taking LLV, right? This pack is a comprehensive daily supplement system designed to support overall health and wellness. And it's still a great option to help you achieve optimal wellness. Now, why change up one of our favorite supplements in LLV, XeOmega? Well, XeOmega is a comprehensive supplement in the LLV pack. There was consenting voices that there was room for improvement. Medical science continues to evolve, and it became more evident that EPA and DHA supplement needed to be more flexible. XeOmega has included fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D3, and E. Due to that addition, there's not a lot of flexibility on dosage, since it's not good to over-supplement some of those vitamins. By adding the fat-soluble vitamins to VMG and removing them from XeOmega Plus, you can dose XeOmega Plus as needed. The recommended dose is 3 soft gels a day. However, if your omega-3 index is low, you can play with that dose. What sets XeOmega Plus above every other fatty acid on the market? First, in the North Atlantic Ocean, fish are sourced without any connection to farm fishing practices that use substances like antibiotics and growth hormones. Second, it's important to note that EPA and DHA are more efficiently absorbed by the body in a triglyceride form. Opting for less refined triglycerides can lead to a more effective absorption compared to other forms. Finally, it is essential to ensure that the fish undergo thorough screening for heavy metals, microbial and bacterial contaminants, oxidation levels, peroxide content, and other quality parameters. Now, what can happen to the body when you consume the right fatty acids? Well, high-quality fatty acids can improve your cardiovascular, your joint, your eye, your brain, your digestive, your respiratory, your intergumentary health, and may also support your detox pathways. The higher the quality fatty acid that you consume, the better your body will function. doTERRA maintains its commitment to providing you and your customers with the best quality fatty acid. It is important because the fatty acid that you consume helps build cell walls. There are more than 10 trillion cells in the human body, and every single one needs a high-quality fatty acid. Let's do a little deeper dive into the health benefits of EPA and DHA, omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty acids support cardiovascular health in several ways. We all know that inflammation is the enemy. Therefore, incorporating any dietary supplement that may improve cardiovascular inflammatory responses can lower the risk around a cardiovascular event. They can improve overall cholesterol profiles and may support healthier blood vessels and reduce the strain on the heart. The endothelium is the inner lining of the blood vessel. Fatty acids may assist in widening those blood vessels, which may help improve blood flow. By maintaining the structural integrity of the heart, they may help with age-related atrophy. Fatty acids have been shown to stabilize the electrical activity of the heart, potentially reducing the risk of irregular heartbeats. Stable heart rhythms support overall heart function and health. These fatty acids ensure healthy blood flow, which may reduce the strain on the heart. Supportive but inconclusive research shows that the consumption of EPA and DHA, omega-3 fatty acids, through diet, like fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, or supplements like XeOmega Plus, may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Muscle and joint health. EPA and DHA are omega-3 fatty acids that have real potential to support your muscles and your joints and reduce atrophy. EPA and DHA are known to aid in healthy inflammatory responses in your muscle and joint tissue. Omega-3 fatty acids enhance muscle protein synthesis, the process by which the body repairs and builds muscle tissue. EPA and DHA help preserve muscle cell membranes and their function, which is vital for maintaining muscle mass. These fatty acids may reduce the rate of age-related muscle protein breakdown. And there is evidence suggesting that EPA and DHA can improve joint and typical muscle cell function and strength, which is important in countering the effects of aging. Eye health. Incorporating XeOmega Plus may help maintain vision, support retinal function, and overall visual development. Neurological health. The brain is comprised of 60% fat. This high fat content is crucial for various functions like forming cell membranes, myelination of nerve fibers, and storing energy in the cell. Consuming high-quality fatty acids plays a vital role in maintaining brain health and supporting cognitive function. In a recent study done by doTERRA, one of the top health issues that you, our wellness advocates, wanted addressed was brain fog or cognitive function. Well, XeOmega Plus is here for you. Let me give you a small analogy as to why this may be the answer to help lift the fog. Think of your brain as a bustling city with a vast network of roads and highways. Essential fatty acids, such as omega-3s, are like the road maintenance crews that keep these pathways in excellent condition. They ensure that the roads are smooth, well paved, and free of potholes, allowing for the fast and efficient flow of traffic and goods and services. With these maintenance crews, without these maintenance crews, the roads would deteriorate, leading to traffic jams, accidents, and slower transportation of goods and people. Similarly, without adequate fatty acid, the communication pathways in your brain can become compromised, slowing down cognitive processes and challenging overall brain function. Now let's talk gut health. Omega-3 may help restore interspecies balance of microbiome in the gut. It may work as a prebiotic that can help improve overall balance of microbiome. And it may also improve the integrity of the intestinal barrier. As far as the respiratory system, higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids in a person's bloodstream may be associated with healthier lung function. Our skin, hair, and nails are our integumentary system. Consuming XeOmega Plus can nourish the skin, boost hydration, both to the skin and nail cells, as well as the hair follicles. Now we know some of the overall benefits of consuming high-quality fatty acid like XeOmega Plus. Did you know that your body actually can tell you that it needs more fatty acid? Things like occasional dry, itchy, scaling skin, soft, cracked, brittle nails, hard earwax, achy, stiff joints, and brain fog. All these can be a sign that the body is asking, if not begging, for more fatty acid. Now, why did doTERRA include wild orange essential oil? Studies suggest that limonene, due to its epigenetic effects, may also improve cardiometabolic health. Wild orange contains limonene, which has been studied for its potential benefits related to inflammatory response, cellular health, heart health, and antioxidant properties. Why wouldn't we want these two powerful components working together to support so many body systems? All right, science talk aside, imagine your body is like a car. Now your heart's the engine, pumping away to keep that car running smoothly. To keep that engine in top shape, you need good quality motor oil. In this analogy, the motor oil is like the fats in your diet. Now, EPA and DHA are the clean, high-quality motor oil. They keep your engine running smoothly, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear. These healthy fats help maintain your heart. These healthy fats may maintain healthy cholesterol levels, keep your arteries clear, and ensure that your heart works efficiently. Just like clean motor oil keeps your car's engine running at its best. On the other hand, without EPA and DHA, like using dirty, low-quality motor oil, your engine starts to suffer. Dirty oil leads to sludge buildup, increasing friction and wear and tear inside the engine. Similarly, without healthy fats, our arteries can get gummed up, slowing blood flow. It's like trying to drive with a clogged engine. Eventually, something's going to break down. So just like you wouldn't skimp on clean motor oil for your engine, don't skimp on EPA and DHA, wild orange, for your body. Keep that heart engine running smoothly with the good stuff. With the help of XeOmega Plus, we're strengthening the foundation of our wellness pyramid. Incorporating EPA and DHA into your wellness regime is essential for heart, brain, and overall health. Regular intake of XeOmega Plus can lead to significant health improvements. I know that there are a lot of options out there for supplementing fatty acids. However, I hope that I have properly shared with you the power of doTERRA. You want to incorporate science-backed doTERRA wellness products into your healthy lifestyle. Don't settle for the cheap products that have poor bioavailability and are synthetic and full of hormones. Believe me, they are toxic to the body and expensive digestive waste. By investing in this product and including it in your wellness regime, you are keeping the engines and roads of your body running smoothly. And in turn, you're making a strong foundation to help increase your health span. By incorporating doTERRA products into your life and the lives of your customers, you can help reclaim health. And believe me, when health is reclaimed, people share. And when people share, your business grows. Thank you.